Dear students, this is our lesson. The way it was. Page 70. For first intermediate, you need to have your mini board and a marker or a notebook and a pen. What we need to know in this lesson. In other words, what are the objectives of this lesson? We expect our students at the end of this lesson to classify sentences about ways of life. Use past simple affirmative form in sentences. Write sentences using past simple affirmative form and prepositions of time. Ways of life. Here we have some words related to ways of life. Let's look and read. Animals hunted. Ways of travels. Weapons. Homes.
Buffalo. Whales. Seals. Horses. A sled. A kayak. A bow and an arrow. A spear. Knives. An igloo. A tent. A teepee.
Task 1. First, read the sentences below, then classify them in the table. Once you have finished, let's check the answers together.
They hunted buffalo. They hunted whales. They hunted seals. They lived in igloos. They lived in teepees. They lived in tents. They used bows and arrows for hunting. They used spears for hunting. They used knives for hunting. They used sleds for traveling. They used horses for traveling. They used kayaks for traveling.
Past simple affirmative form. First, read the examples and find out the grammatical rule. Now look at the table below. And read each situation where the verb changes. Task 2. Now, rearrange the words to form sentences. Once you have finished, let's check the answers together.
He lived in a small flat. They walked in the garden yesterday.
Prepositions of time. In, on, at. Now let's add a preposition of time to the sentences.
Ali bought his car in 1990. She called her mother at 9 o'clock yesterday. We opened our shop on New Year's Day.
Let's find out when to use each previous preposition with more examples. Task 3. Now read and rewrite the sentences with the correct prepositions in the next column. Once you have finished, let's check the answers together.
I bought a house in June. Polly went to the university at 7 o'clock. They traveled to Japan in spring. Jack moved to London on 8 May 2000. I gave my mother a golden ring on Mother's Day. He was born in 1980.
Task 4. Now change the base form of the verb into the past, then write sentences using the prepositions of time. Once you have finished, let's check the answers together.
Closed. My father closed his shop in summer. Watched. I watched a comedy film on Monday. Cried. My little sister cried at 10 o'clock when she lost her doll. Stayed. We stayed home at Eid because it was windy. Shopped. Sarah shopped for groceries on Friday.
Thank you. We hope it has been useful, and you have spent an enjoyable time with us. Good luck.